Hello everyone, I am Rayana. Welcome back to my channel Ramenas the Handcrafted Memories. Today we are going to doodle brushes and fill them with different patterns. This technique is also known as Zendoodle. If you are making this doodle and you want to share it with us, you can put it up on Facebook and tag us on ramenas.thehandcraftedmemories. So, for today's illustration, we will need a fine liner pen, a sketch pen, bold pen, or you can even use a brush pen. We will use the bold pen or the sketch pen for filling areas. So, these are the different types of brushes which we will be doodling today. So, let's start. This is a mop brush. So we will make a standing line, join it with a curve and another standing line. This area will be a little slanted. Then we will make a sleeping line. So this is a mop brush which we are making. The mop brush has a lot of bristles which helps in holding water. So mop brush is very useful when we are doing watercolor. So we will make lines for the bristles like this. The next brush which we are going to make is a flat brush. This is also a flat brush. So, for that, a standing line. We'll end it with a curve. Then we will make a sleeping line. And then another standing line. Then for the ferrule, we will make a sleeping line, another sleeping line after some distance. After leaving some space again, we will make another sleeping line. Then we will continue this standing line downwards, end it with a curve, join it with a sleeping line and do the same thing over here. Like this. Then we will make a sleeping line. This part is the ferrule. This area is called the ferrule. Then we will make the handle. Like this. Then in this also we will make the bristles. Like this. We will keep on making lines by leaving some space to give the bristle or the hair effect. Like this. Like this. This brush is the flat brush which is used for painting the backgrounds or broad areas. Like this. We will fill all the space in the bristle area like this by making straight lines. and leaving some space. So now our bristle is finished. We will move on to the next brush, which is also a flat brush. So for this brush is upside down. So we will always start drawing from the top. So this time we will start from the handle. Like this. This is the handle. Now we will make the ferrule. This flat brush has a very thin ferrule. So we will make a sleeping line, 2 slanting line, connect them using a sleeping line, and now we will make the bristles. So for that, we will start with a curve, make a standing line and end with a curve. We will do the same thing on the other side. Start with a curve, end with a curve, and then we will connect these two curves with a sleeping line. Now this has shiny bristles. So because the light is falling on it, it has a shine. So we will leave some space and make the bristles like this. Some can be long, some can be short. This gives the gloss effect. Then we will do from the bottom like this, long and then short, then medium size and long, short. We will continue on making the bristles like this. Now we will also make some lines in the middle in this white area. So we will make very few lines of different sizes again. Like this. Now we will move on to the next brush, which is the filbert brush. This brush is straight, so we will start from the bristles. Like this. Filbert brushes also have a lot of bristles, so we will make lines which are close together. Like this. The filbert brushes are round-headed. So the edges are rounded and the middle will be a straight line while the other sides will be rounded. Like this. Next, we will make the ferrule. So, we will make curve, 2 horizontal ovals like this, and then we will make the handle. Like this. The next brush is a fine liner brush. It is used for details. So this time will make the teardrop shape kind of bristles. Then a sleeping line and two slanting lines for the ferrule. We will connect them with a small sleeping line. Then we will make two curves like this. These are the slanting curves. Next, we will make the fan brush. Again, this brush is upside down. So, we will start from the handle. A curve. And another curve. Then, we will start a sleeping line with a curve and connect both the ends of the curves. Then we will move on to the bristles. For that, we will make two slanting lines and connect them with a sleeping line. This brush does not have a ferrule. Then we will make the bristles. We will make lines for the bristles like this. If you are not comfortable with moving your brush in one direction, you can move it in the opposite direction. Like this, we will make fine lines and leave very less space in the middle. Like this, we will fill the whole bristle with fine lines which are very close together. Now, my bristle is complete. So, I will move on to the next brush, which is also another kind of flat brush. This brush is straight. So, we will start with the bristles. Two slanting lines, a sleeping line on the top, and another sleeping line at the bottom. Now again we will make fine lines which are close together for the bristle. Like this. Next we will make the ferrule. So, a standing line connected with a slanting line. At the bottom we will connect both the lines using a sleeping line. Then at the curved area over here, we will make a sleeping line. Then over here we are going to show that there are holes which help in holding the bristle. So we will make small dots. Like this. Next we will make the handle. So for that We will make a curve and another curve. This is the handle. Next, we have the last brush, which is another kind of fan brush. So this brush is upside down. So we will start from the handle and make a curve. Then we will start with the ferrule. So we will make 2 horizontal ovals and the ferrule. Now we will make the bristle. So we will start from a little above the ferrule and make 2 slanting lines and connect them both with a curve. Again we will make the bristles using fine line. Like this. The fan brushes are also used for making trees. So we will continue making the bristles. Now all our brushes are complete. In our next video, we will make the patterns in the brushes. I hope you all enjoyed making these brushes. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, press the subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest notifications. Bye. See you again.